So we're going to do some orthographic projection. So orthographic projection, what is that? Well, it could be if you take an object like this cube here. It could be drawing the front view of the cube, turning it and drawing the top view of the cube, and then turning it once again and drawing the side view of the cube, just so you could see what it would look like from straight above, as I'm demonstrating here. So, to demonstrate this, I can actually use this cube as our example up in the corner. If I wanted to draw this cube as an orthographic drawing, I would draw the front view, I would draw the top view, and I would draw the side view. To do so, I'm going to use two types of lines. I'm going to use really light lines called construction lines, and I'm going to use dark lines called object lines. Now, for the benefit of the video, my construction lines will be orange and my object lines will be black. So as far as this goes, I'm going to make, looks like each is worth 3, so I'm just going to start with a front view. In my front view, I'm going to make each one of those 3, so each block 1, 2, 3, so it's 3 this way, and then it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this makes the front view. Now I can do some things with an orthographic drawing. If I was doing this on a drafting board with a T-square and ruler, what I would do is I would project my lines up that are going up, and I would project my lines horizontal that are going horizontal, because the measurements are the same. Like if I take this block here and put it here and move it up, the measurement is the same. If I project it over this way, the measurement is the same. So I don't have to change the measurement. So now all I have to do is pick which one I want to do next. So I'm going to do an equal amount of spacing, 3 blocks. For this, if I looked at it, it would take up 3 blocks by 3 blocks. So I go 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to project up again. Now this is a very easy shape. So you might be asking, why do you do this? And the key is, when we used to draft on drafting boards before computers got involved, what you could do is at the center of the front view, if you make a line going off of that at a 45-degree angle, which is through all of the squares, out into infinity, wherever this matches up, you can then project your lines over to the side, like so. And this gives me all 3 views. When I'm completed with this, I'm going to darken each of the views in so you guys can see. Each view that will correspond appropriately to my small blocks. The excess construction lines would be erased, which is why they are supposed to be extremely light. And that would finish. So I've got my top view right here, my front view right here. Front view should always be this corner, and my side view to this side of it. And if I went and looked with my block, you can clearly see front, top, and then side all fit as they should. So this is the basics of doing an orthographic projection. Hope this was helpful. Good luck.